Okay, in front of me, I have a small box from eStarCase. If you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. And as always, if you guys use the code PLAN, you get 12% off. So I'll see you soon. Okay, let's open this baby up together and see what's in here. Okay, they always package them so nicely, so that's kind of what it is. Okay, so I got a little note. She sent me a thank you gift, which is a little pouch, and one of these, and then I'll show you everything that's in here. Okay, so let's go through it. I'm gonna go through the gifts first as well. Actually, I'm just gonna open everything so you guys don't have to listen to the noise. Okay, so I opened everything. Let's go through it together. So this is a little journaling mash, which I never used, but it's nice. I ordered a new set of tweezers. I don't know if you guys do the same thing to yours, but mine get like bend, like one side. Do you see how it's like? I don't know if I can show this to you guys. I don't know if it's visible. Like one side is slightly bent. It's like the smallest bend ever, but it makes it like so hard to pick up stickers. So then I ordered another one, and I got 3, and they're so inexpensive. So we're gonna open all 3 of them. They're all pointy and different. So this one is the straight one that I use the most. Then you have this one and this one, and all of these are like holographic, and they come in this beautiful case too. Just gonna put this on the side. So yeah, hopefully these will last a little bit. It is so inexpensive too, because I think for all 3 of these I ended up paying around $9. So with a case, so super nice. Case got a little bent, but can unbend it right now. Perfect. See? Yeah, so we can remove all of that. We're going to be using these. These will retire for a while. And see, and then the ones I got on Amazon, you guys, they're not like heavy duty, so I can't use them because they can't even pick up stickers. They like bend themselves. This is a little pouch I got as a gift, which is super nice. You can put stuff in there. And let's go through the stickers. So I got Trendy Beauties, Vacation Trip, the Veiled Shoreline, and then Nestled Brown. Let's start with the Nestled Brown, and then we'll go from there. So super cute, very vintage. Only by living earnestly can you find the candies that life has hidden away. Interesting. Okay. So that was interesting. Let's go to the second page. So pretty vintagey. Look at this fridge. Like nobody has a fridge like this. Reminds me of the Smags. Okay. Then we have these. Look at the broom. Oh my gosh. Very, very vintagey. Look at that. That's so good. Like if you have a hard day, don't you want to do that? I want to do that all the time. Look at the old style desk. Oh my lord. And then you have this, which is very pretty. I love this. I love this. I like this. So a lot of like cool stickers, even though vintagey. Like look how vintage this is. Nobody has patterns like this anymore. Maybe they'll be coming back. Hopefully not, because I'm not a big fan. So then we have the flowers, and they're lilies and roses. Like, how pretty. All the tenderness you feel is life's affection towards you. Ordinary days need a ray of light. Calm down slowly, little by little, and meet with time. Okay, interesting. So these were unclear up to this point, and now we get into the paper ones. So a little bit more of the vintage. I really like these circles of the pattern. I like designs like that. I really like this. This is one whole sticker. Like if you go to a restaurant, I think that's great. Yeah, kind of vintagey, very different. I like the landscapes for sure. The houses are cute. There's a lot of stickers in here that I would use. Not necessarily all of them. Like, that's kind of cool. Very different. Is that like a quilted, a square quilt? I don't know. Then you have all of these washies. And then you have one more page of stickers for the bread. And that. And you have all the browns in here. And that is it for this one. So Nestled Brown, not my favorite, but it's not bad at all. If you like vintage and if you like junk journaling, that is definitely something that would benefit you. Veiled in Shoreline Beaches. Here we go. I love stuff like this. So we have sandy beach distance, and then beautiful images. That is definitely me. Waves of serenity. We even have a unicorn here. I don't know what that's doing there, but how cool are the stone steps? Like, all of that is so beautiful. All of the little houses at shorelines, they're blue. So pretty. Then we have Drive into Your Soul. Ocean Coast Wonder. Pretty. Explore Your Soul. Waves of Serenity and Dreams. Waves of Serenity. Intuition Leads You to Unite. Cool. And then a lot of like nautical themes here. So as you would expect from a beachy book. Sandy Beach. Coastal Ocean Views. So pretty. And then this is still unclear, so we have lots of sea life. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? And then paper. Cool. Some ruins, like seaside ruins. Very nice. And everything is made out of stone, as you can see. How cool is this? Like beach views, and they're so realistic. Very cool. Cool. And then we have waves. And driftwood. I don't know. Not driftwood. Just wood, I guess. Maybe driftwood. I don't know. And then we have beach. And these are 4 stickers. So this is one. The top is one. This blue one is one. And then all of these ocean bottles are one. Then we have stone. That's kind of cool. Rocks and stones. And then we have frames made out of seashells, which is very nice. And then this is washi paper. So you have washi, you have waves, you have seashells, you have stars, you have different things. This blue one is very intriguing to me. And you have these dark layering elements that is also on washi. And then you have these decorative boxes with blue and yellow roses. And then regular boxes. So that is the Veiled Shoreline. The next one we'll do the vacation trip. So I have a book called Summer. And it is very like tropical, and I love it. And this probably might be something like that too. So let's take a look. Sunny Delights. So these are all unclear, just remember that. And their clear stickers are amazing because they are opaque. So when you pull these up, I want to show you one. Like when you stick your finger behind it, it's not that visible because they have a backing to them, which I think is brilliant. So yeah. This is also unclear. Look at this hotel resort with the little different accommodations here, and then we get into the tropical vibe. So you have the beach and the shoreline with all the tropical leaves and flowers. More tropical beach vibes, like that was in that sticker book called Summer that I said. Then we have a bed in different hotel. Like, how old is that? Oh my goodness. Okay. And then we have all the animals. So we have a sloth, elephant, lion, monkey, flamingo, giraffe, seagull, parrot, turtle, and I don't know if that's a cheetah or a leopard or a tiger, one of those things. And then we have different sunset with different windows. How pretty is that? And we have one like ocean one. Very different. Then we have a lobby. And those definitely look more modern. And then we have tropical fruit and a girl. So we have some coconuts and papayas and mangoes and different fruits. Looks like that could be a dragon fruit. No, that's a dragon fruit. So I don't know what that was, but kind of cool. Then you have a tiki bar. More tropical right here. More tropical right here. Very cool. Lots of beach themed items here. And then you have some waves. And then we have vacation trip with all of these tropical leaves. So pretty. And then this is on washi. So you get 4 different patterns right here of the tropical leaves. You can make boxes out of these. You can cut elements. It's kind of cool. These are washies. So you have a sunset with a shoreline, the flowers, you have this pattern, you have a cheetah, you have a green, something is that wood, and then you have a big wave and a beach with dog paws. Oh, how cute is that? Okay. And then you have, this is the boxes from this book. And then this is the second page of boxes. So very cool. Adventure, like they don't have plain ones. So that was Vacation Trip. And then my last book is called Trendy Beauties. So let's take a look at that one. So they start with clear. So we have some beautiful ladies. Oh my gosh, cats and dogs, how funny. Lots of cats. Then we have a beautiful desk setup. Oh my gosh, those are my glasses. Those are my sunglasses. That's so awesome. Then we have all of the different transportations. I don't know how that relates to that book, but okay. Then we have the desk, we have the door, we have a couple other things. Look at that, that's kind of pretty. The fridge. This is all unclear, so I think when you put it on the page, it might lighten up just a smidge, not much. Cityscape. And then we have more little houses, a car, a column. Like I said, very kind of bizarre book. Okay, coffee. Tiny little coffee shop, I think, or a corner of it. We have a coffee table right there. Super cute. And now we're back into the girlies. So this is on paper now. You have 2 girls with some books. More girls. More girls. Okay, those are cool. yeah, different. Okay, she's on a beach, or a beach attire, I would say, for me. Look at these bangles, so cool. Glasses, the outfit's so awesome. A little bit more girls. And then we get a page of florals. And then washi tape. This is boxes on washi. Like very different, kind of different. And then we give couples and a family and 2 girlfriends and some boxes. And then this is their plain page of boxes. This is a very bizarre book, you guys. Like I said, it's just, it has like transportations and pets and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, so Trending Beauties, Vacation Trip, I think was my favorite. Veiled Shoreline, Nestled Brown, and then my tweezers. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you soon for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. When you use code PLAN, PLAN, it will give you 12% off. I really appreciate anytime you guys support me and use my codes. And I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.